Hello everyone, welcome on stitchingworld.com. Today I'll be sharing with you this beautiful jacket or shirt design which is inspired by the design that Nuzhat shared with us on his Stitching World Facebook page. Please subscribe and press this bell button so that you don't miss the second part of this video and you get all the latest notifications. So the measurements that you need is length, waist length, shoulder, chest, sleeve length and sleeve bottom. First we cut the front yoke of shirt. Making this shirt is very easy, very simple. It doesn't take much time. I've taken this denim fabric, salvage. From salvage side, I'm starting the shoulder marking. So this is 7.5 for shoulder. Arm length, I'm keeping same 7.5. And below this marking, that is your chest line or arm length, I'm marking this ½ inch down. From here, I'll be cutting for the yoke. Then we take 1/4 part of chest line. In fact, 1/4 part of your chest round and add 1 inch or 1.5 inch to it. Reason is we need about ½ inch for front folding and another this 1 inch would be for the loosing. Then we take same or ½ inch lesser than the shoulder and join it. We take 3 inch for the neck width. Take 1 inch down for shoulder slope and join from the neck. Front neck length is 3 inch. Now we give a shape to the front neck. We are cutting the front only right now. It doesn't have to be very round. Now we take about 2 inch for the side seams or the loosing. You can take 1 inch, 1.5 inch or 2 inch, as loose as you want. Now we give a shape to the front armhole. So you can use a ready armhole curve or just shape it freehand. Now we cut on this outer line and this front yoke is ready. Using this yoke, you can join a pleated bottom with this, or you can join a symmetrical umbrella skirt as we are joining in this video. So this is the front. This is open from the front. Okay, so we cut back yoke of shirt now. That is also pretty simple, but there has to be some changes. We fold the fabric. This front would be out and then we take about 1 inch up and give shape to the back neck. Join from the shoulder till up. This is the shape that you have to take for the shirt. Okay, this you have to be careful. ½ inch out for the back armhole and about 1/4 of an inch out for the back shoulder. Rest of the cutting would be on the outline. The middle of this back yoke is closed. Only front is open. So this is the back yoke which is cut now. See how simple it is. Now we cut shirt bottom part asymmetrical. Though you can join a gather skirt with this or a pleated one. or anything, even a straight one. But here, the design that you wanted to see, I'm sharing this with you. Okay, so this is our fabric. Total fabric was about 2 meter. I folded it the way we fold it for the umbrella skirt. So we get our bottom of the shirt in bias. So we fold the fabric. This extra ½ inch would be out, that is middle of the opening part of the front shirt. Okay. Length, total length, you can take 24 inch, 30 inch. You can make it even a long gown or a crop top, as long as you want or as short as you wish. Okay, so here we mark about 30-32 inches. Even you can go deeper, and from the sides I don't have fabric, but I don't want that also, so I give it this shape. But if you want to add fabric, then you can make a joint on this front bottom and then give a full shape that you want. If you want it low high, like low from bottom or the back side, or high from front, then you have to cut it front and back separately. Okay, then you check the length of back and front separately. If you are cutting it different lengths for each part. Now this is the your yoke. It will be joined from here, but right now we make a straight cut. So here we cut, and this yoke would be joined with this bottom part. But the front has to, you can cut it or you can keep simply the top portion, the yoke portion open, or if you want you can cut the front as a shirt, a full open shirt. Okay, so we separate the back part first. This is separated, then we keep it back, so we can cut it from the middle. You can use different fabrics to make this dress, and believe me, the look of the dress changes as the fabric texture changes. So we cut the front, and after that each part of yoke would be joined with the lower part. Okay, but we'll be adding a piping in middle. Now we cut front open shoulder sleeves, like on top, that is called shoulder sleeves also, that it is called, and we fold the fabric whatever length you want for your sleeves. Simply fold, then take the depth of armhole or length as same as 7.5, and the length you can take 15, 16 or 17 as long as you want. Then we take 7.5 inch for armhole length, same as we took for the dress. Then we take 3 inch inside, that is 12th part of chest, 1 inch down on this line, middle, ½ inch out that we shape, and about ½ inch inside and curvy, about 5.5 inch or 6 inch for the bottom round. You can keep it, if you want it tight, you can keep it even 5 inch. Now join it from the side and seam allowance, same as our dress side seam allowance. Okay, now this is the basic sleeve that we cut. The outlines first. Making this dress is really very easy, but it looks really stylish, and once you make it, I'm sure people would ask you where did you buy it, and it looks really beautiful. You people really send me very beautiful designs. I love making them, and they are really interesting. So here we got the sleeve. Now we open it and cut the front armhole. We shape it. This is done. Now we fold it. This is a single piece. So for cold shoulder, we mark 2 inch down. You can take it as long or as short. 2 inch, we make 2 by 2, a square kind of a thing. Okay, you can take even longer or shorter and give it a shape that you want. I'm just giving this kind of a shape, and then because I separated both the sleeves, I'll join them back. And then we'll cut the middle hole that we want for our sleeve. See, this is denim, so this takes me some, because I didn't get my scissors sharpened, but from time to time it's important that you get your scissors sharpened, and while you get your scissors sharpened, it is also important that you tell the person to unscrew both the blades of the scissors and then only sharpen your blades or the scissors. Now we cut 2 long stripes of 3 inch wear each, so that we could finish the front buttonholes. While we place our front part of the shirt, this is the buttonhole. The width I am keeping about 2 inch wide because the side fabric I had lesser one, but if you have more, you can keep as wide as 3 inch or as less as 1.5 inch. Okay, so here we got 2 pieces, and this is almost the dress is cut. In the next video, I'll show you how to join all these pieces. It's really super easy. You stay subscribed so that you don't miss the second part. Okay, and let me know how did you like this video. Please press the thumbs up button if you like the video. Take care. Have a very nice day. Bye bye.